Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open the Word document you want to number. Assuming this is the document where you want to add page numbers, make sure it's open and ready to go. This works on almost any version of Word, whether you're using it on Windows or Mac. For my computer, I'm using Mac. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab at the top. So at the very top of your screen, you'll see a row of tabs: Home, Insert, Design, Layout, etc. So you're going to click Insert. That's where all the tools for adding extra content are located. Step 3. Click on Page Number. Now, look on toward the right side of the ribbon in the header or footer group. You'll see the Page Number button. So you click it, and a drop-down menu will appear with different page numbers and placement options. Now, choose where you want your page numbers to be placed. You could choose at the very top. You could choose top of the page, which is header, or the bottom of the page, which is footer. Or you could put it even in the page margins, here, inside or outside. So hover each option to preview it. Once you find the one you like, click it, and the Word will add page numbers throughout your document automatically. You can also choose from different styles like left, right, or center numbers. So we want our page number to be at the bottom of the page, center. Now, if you have picked your option, click OK. Here you could see that the page number already of our document is now visible. So after inserting, you're automatically placed in the header and footer area. So you can change the font, the size, or position if you want. And if you want the first page, like a cover, to not show a number, click on the header and footer tab and check different first page. This one. So as you can see, the page number of our cover is not visible already. Now, to exit the header or footer, once you're done, simply double-click anywhere outside the header or footer to go back to normal editing mode. And that's it. You've now added page numbers to your Word document, quick and easy. See? We don't have page numbers in our first page, but on the second page, it shows here 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth.